Hello teacher and hello everyone. My name is Pon Swantong. Today I would like to tell you about adjective and adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency say how often something happens, and then adverb of frequency come after the word be. For example, she is sometimes late, and then adverb of frequency usually come after other verb. For example, he usually pay attention in the class. It's adjective. Adjective is a word which describes or give more information, a noun or pronoun. Example, big house, beautiful flower. Adjective describes noun in terms of size qualities, as size, color, number, and kind. For example, the lazy dog sat on the ground. Usually, adjective come before the noun. Example, tall man. It can also come after the word be. Example, the man is tall. Thank you teacher and thank you everyone for watching my video.